要だと思うんだよ。ダンジョンを滑る王が。
王だと。
地下100階層にはラミリスの根底とも言うべき精霊迷宮への扉が据えられる。
ついに我の最終防衛ラインの出番だな。おお、魔王ルミナスよ。どうだ、今度はちゃんと覚えておったぞ、魔王ルミナスよ。
このクソトカゲが毎回わらわの邪魔をしよって。させてもらうぞ。
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Drive notch hoes, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture when we got that product you can measure. Trendsetter.
Did you know? Veldora Tempest struggles with suppressing his immense magicules due to his extraordinary power. This constant suppression is exhausting for him and poses a significant challenge. If Veldora were unable to suppress his aura and accidentally released it on Tempest, the consequences would be catastrophic. His immense power would have dire effects on the surroundings, turning the area into a land of death. This uncontrolled release of magicules could lead to the spawning of numerous dangerous monsters, potentially even at the level of a Calamity-class threat like Charybdis. The death toll among weaker beings, including many citizens of Tempest, would be enormous, as most would not be able to withstand the intensity of Veldora's aura. However, thanks to Lumina's Embrace Drain technique to help Veldora release his excess magicules, allowing him to return to normal. This technique involved Lumina's draining Veldora's magicules while causing him pain, which also served as a form of revenge for Lumina's.
So tight, makes you want